This adorable little boy basket is such a great, cute little gift idea. This is wooden, but it has a basket bottom, which is very nice for reusing it. It's perfect for wedding showers. It's perfect for baby showers, baby gifts, for baby announcements. It's just a great little gift overall that you can continue to use in your nursery with this cute little basket. It comes in 2 different colors. This is the burley wood, and it comes with all these adorable accessories. It comes with the wooden handle at the top. It took about 5 minutes to put together, and it comes with these darling little hangers that are very cute as a gift and to display clothes with, which is a very nice accessory. You can stuff it full of gifts, diapers, pajamas, toiletries, and these cute little pins here allow you to hang clothes or socks from the front. It comes with this adorable little welcome baby sign, which you can give to the mother ahead of time, or it can be used as a baby gift after the baby's born. Cute little stars, and there's some rope accessories that you can use to hang things on. And it also comes with all the hardware that you need. A great little shower gift presentation. The gift basket in itself is a gift. I highly recommend it.